Hey there! Welcome to today's English lesson. You're listening to Talkie Talkie. Easy English and real talk. Let's chat about real life. Hey there! Welcome back to Talkie Talkie. Today, let's talk about something we all love. Music. Have you ever noticed how a song can change your mood? 1 minute, you're sad. Then you hear a beat, and suddenly, you smile. That's the power of music. Let's talk about how music changes the way I feel. Music is all around us. In cars, in shops, at the gym, on the street. Sometimes we don't even notice it, but it's there. It follows us. It connects us. When I was a child, I loved singing in the car with my family. Those songs, they still make me feel warm. When I feel sad, I play a happy song, something with a strong beat, a fun melody, fast drums, catchy words. And you know what? It works. After 2 or 3 songs, I feel better. My foot starts to tap. My head starts to move. And before I know it, I'm smiling, even dancing, just a little. Music lifts me up. But not every day is fast and fun. Some days, I feel quiet, tired, heavy. On those days, I like slow music, soft voices, piano, guitar, calm sounds. It helps me breathe, think, feel. It's like a friend sitting beside me, just listening. Music understands me, even when people don't. Have you ever heard a song and suddenly remembered something from years ago? A summer trip, a best friend, a party, a walk in the rain. It's amazing. One song can bring back a whole memory, a moment, a feeling. Sometimes I cry. Sometimes I laugh. Sometimes I just sit and feel everything again. That's the magic of music. Each kind of music gives me something different. Pop makes me feel alive. Classical makes me feel peaceful. Rock gives me energy. Jazz makes me relax. And movie music, it makes me feel like the main character. Even if I'm home doing dishes, music makes it fun. Suddenly, I'm not cleaning. I'm dancing in a concert. I like to make playlists for my moods. I have one for rainy days, one for cleaning, one for walking, one for cooking. Each playlist is like a friend. It knows what I need. And it helps me feel better. There's one song I'll never forget. I heard it during a hard time. I was feeling lost, confused, sad. Then the song played. It was soft, but strong. The words were simple, but they touched my heart. I don't even remember the name, but I remember the feeling. It gave me hope, and I still carry that feeling today. What about you? Do you use music to feel better? Do you have a favorite song? One that makes you smile or cry? What kind of music do you like? Pop, jazz, rock, classical? When do you listen to music the most? In the morning? At night? While working? Think about it. Music is part of your story. It walks with you through life. So, this is why I love music. It helps me. It holds me. It heals me. When I'm sad, music lifts me. When I'm happy, music celebrates with me. When I'm quiet, music listens. Thank you for being here with me today on Talkie Talkie. Until then, keep singing, keep smiling, and keep talking. Let's review the words. To notice means to see or hear something. You did not look for it, but you see it. It happens without planning. I didn't notice the music at first. A beat is the sound in music that repeats. It can be slow or fast. You can feel it in your body. This song has a strong beat. I want to dance. To feel is to have emotions. Happy, sad, tired. These are feelings. Music changes how we feel. I feel happy when I listen to this song. A street is a road in a city or town. Cars drive on it. People walk near it. There is music playing on the street. To connect means to come together. People connect when they talk, smile, or share something. Music helps people connect with each other. Warm means a little hot, but nice. It is a good feeling, not cold. This song makes me feel warm inside. A melody is the main sound in music. It is the tune you remember or sing. It can be happy or sad. I love the melody of this song. It's beautiful. Drums are musical instruments. They make loud and strong sounds. You hit them with sticks. I hear drums in the background of this song. Catchy means easy to remember. A catchy song stays in your head. You want to sing it again and again. That song is so catchy. I can't stop singing it. To lift means to move something up. Music can lift your mood, make you feel better. His happy song lifts my mood. A quiet means not loud. There is little or no sound. It can feel calm or peaceful. I like quiet music at night. Calm means peaceful and relaxed. You feel okay inside. No stress. This music makes me feel calm. Beside means next to. Something or someone is close, near you. I sat beside my friend and listened to music. A trip means going to another place. It can be short or long, for fun, school, or work. That song reminds me of our summer trip. To bring means to take something to another place. Music can bring back memories or feelings. This song brings me back to my school days. To cry means to have tears. You cry when you feel sad or very happy. Music can make you cry. That song makes me cry every time. Main means most important. The main idea or person is the biggest one, like in a movie or story. She is the main singer in the band. Dishes are plates, bowls, and cups. You eat with them and wash them after. I like listening to music when I wash the dishes. Confused means you don't understand. Your brain feels mixed up. You are not sure what to do. I felt confused before, but now I feel better. To celebrate means to be happy about something. People celebrate birthdays, holidays, or good news. This song celebrates love and life. Thanks for listening to Talkie Talkie. I hope you enjoyed our little chat. If you liked it, come back for more real-life English. Spoken slow, spoken real. Like the episode, hit subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss a new talk. See you next time.